discovered, women were not allowed to go inside. Yes.
Why?
Because of their menstruation.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why it was open to the public in 1995. But they have to make all the necessary rituals, to allow women to go inside.
Okay.
Yes.
So right now, if you do a menstruation, yo, my people. So today we are Asenema Waterfalls, eastern part of Ghana, Okere District. Yeah. So today we'll go to Waterfalls. One be this, one be Asenema, and one to be Apirede Falls for Apirede. So first of all, we'll go this place, we'll go check out, we'll learn the history. Then the Abakwasem way can pass, we'll learn them, then we'll go know. Then from here, we'll go the Apirede Waterfall. So Charlie, let's go inside and go explore more things. So we get our tour guide for here where you go teach me some small history about Asenema Falls. So champion, what a great
I think I'm sorry.
Alright, so I want you to teach me or tell me the small history or some history about the Asenema Falls. Yeah.
Okay. So here is Asenema Waterfall.
I beg you talk loud small here.
Okay, so here is Asenema Waterfall.
Alright.
It's discovered by a farmer in 1931. Yeah, according to them, the place was a very dense forest and very scary, so people were afraid to go inside. And at that time, they have that perception that not every forest that you can go inside.
Okay.
So the farmer was bold enough to go inside.
What was the farmer from? Which town was
he? He's from Asenema.
Asenema, yeah. Okay.
Asenema. And at that time, you can see some village here.
Okay.
And according to them, that's the first village. Asenema first
that's
village.
Small.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the first village of Asenema. So he was farming and he heard the sound of the water.
Okay.
So he decided to trace it. So when he went, he saw a waterfall. So he went back to the community to inform the traditional authorities about what he have discovered.
Okay.
So they cleared the path to the waterfall. That's 1935. Yes, but it was open to the public in 1995 because at that time they have that spirituality, they have that spiritual mentality.
Okay.
Yeah, that the waterfall is a goddess. Yeah, so they have to.
But as we go there, we see some snaps.
Yes.
So
they still believe.
Okay.
Yeah, they still believe that it's a goddess.
Okay.
Yes. So they pour libation every year for cleansing. Same people have been entering the water, so they pour libation for cleansing.
Okay.
Yes. And when it was first discovered, women were not allowed to go inside. Yes.
Why?
Because of their menstruation.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why it was open to the public in 1995. But they have to make all the necessary rituals. Yeah, to allow women to go inside.
Okay. Yes. So right now, if you do a menstruation cycle, you can go there.
Can go inside.
Okay. So do they have some specific day you're not supposed to go there, or?
No. As for this place, you can go there at any time.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Yes. And the name of the river is called Anwe.
Anwe.
Yeah, that's the name of the river. It's called Anwe. And the Asenema is the name of the town. And Asenema is a tree name. Okay. In tree, they were staying on the mountain. They were living on the mountain, and they came here. So in tree, say Asamoah. Asamoah.
Okay, Asamoah. Okay.
Asamoah, and it has become Asenema.
Alright. Champion, we thanks you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, you can feel the water. Be like here make cold small. We are getting closer to the falls. Yeah. Tell her how. Tell we no one can take ball camp, then we'll come play volleyball. Me as I just not play with volleyball. Charlie. I can see the it's true, Charlie. People they chill pa, Charlie. People they here. And I learned they're about to renovate this place. So the DC for Okere, I see say post something for in Facebook about this place where they can renovate them. So very soon we'll bring you updates on everything that will happen for this side. Closer and let's have a good look at it. That is why I see the thing for. It be like this top has the Boti Falls. Yeah. This Boti top has the Boti Falls. It's just like we are going to the dry, like we go the dry season inside, so it'll be like the water no they can't play anything like that. And let's say if the rainy season are here or go be full of water, the down here or go be full of water. So this is the place. In case you want to have some leisure and you want to go to some trip via and people should then check out. No, I don't go inside Charlie. I dey fear. Ooh. You see, say this place, then get tall trees, you know. So, for my suggestion, you know, why say they no go try and do something like you see that canopy work from, you know? You understand? They go fit do for years. They go do for years, then they will take can here. That's my suggestion, though. It will be nice. It will be nice. Alright, so as you can see, be like they do some traditional for here, some amamre and amanye things they here, get snap bottles, that kind of thing. So I should say they take do some liberation, then that kind of thing. Some. When you come inside, yeah, you like something there, the snap bottles, that kind of things. Yeah.
Alright guys, so from here we move to the Apirede Waterfalls, which is located at Apirede. But please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and comment under the video. Thank you.
Yo man people, so we are ready to pause, you know. Yeah, it's your wall. Papa for you and my website about some kaka about the Apirede Force. You have for you, Michelle. You also? Okay. I thought you need to tell force, you know, then yeah, and after you discover say use the force you are say and I say this.
Oh, menana eto asase yefre no atrodo.
Okay. It's a prayer house here
Atrodo.
Okay. Force need to what should I na na no turn as I say.
No turn asase.
Okay. Nti aha no no omo ye amamre bi wo ha no manase bi ta na say force ndɛ da ha keke like
Bɛyɛ sɛ bere di atwam.
okay.
Na ɛha no na ɛde kuromfoɔ de ɛha yɛ wɔn nsɔre so.
Okay.
Na ɔmo bosom bi wɔ ha.
Okay. E bosom na bo ni ka
Na di bosom na deɛ na ni sa yɛ nti ni bosom ni bi.
Okay. Na ɔmo bosom ha no ma ɔmo yɛ amane ne amane.
Okay. Edu
Estelle wa hanu manase
dabi wa yi ko adikuru
o ma yi bosu ko adiko okay ti abosu bi na o me ya amamre bia wa
dabi o me ya amamre bia ho
nti so ndi anga sana ya so like ahadi na mo de ma nsuo no
ni ana meke tete no o mo kire se nsuo no na opedi bae na nsuo no eduye no na nsuo no soso maako na ebu ma na atene ko ase ho nti no pre no Shrodo imprene Shrodo
ayo krekasa
krekasa
Shrodo okay
engineer say na Shrodo so sase e wo ho no eso ta
nti papa bet na happen ana ta har na
e papa e bet na abo akura e wo dan ho
okay nti
ba akura no de abubu ba okọ ha behu village no na name
okay nti akonkwa na mo ya wa
nti akonkwa
nti so no eni we yachiwa de bi ana sada bi ayemba ha na se bi se
bibi ana etwem na bosom no ha na de ene ya wo tama wo ba ha obehu woni papa ene na ya asam katwa
ba okay se bosom ha de ene ma na papa ba mo ye ti ya okay nti mi se bi ta say mo country assembly man bi ana say nti bi say e bi am person develop area hanum say na e bi a tourist place ana say amafu ba hana da shina mo so bi ya bituma
no na me ka tro say isan say ye be ye Christopher nti no me de asase no na me do ma asase nti obi ba say ope say oto masase nti e ma me ton hanum nyina ma nipa no nti ebi ono me say And the my Tom and depending
But I'm not pastor. That's what the question like area tourist like I'm not for Bahan Sea. No matter what maybe I'm very get see. Maybe entrance do one man. Maybe get see. We need to see. Hana many towns so out to different towns. About 100 shillings.
I don't know what you say. If I'm not trying, no. Me dear, me who say Nintina. Okay.
I thought I'm okay. I can't tell the big of the toy. I want to be out in
Sana, near Udi and Uma or Better, Sana, or the Occasion, was not a Hano. Now, for Bobby, do a new Hano. No, I said forest site. And you can never so you know, almost baby man, say, say, what?
Any pano, the pan of the process, no matter
Uncle for Baba. I saw mobile no other no other hair, I know it's pictures no more than
by cross ever to you don't see an ever and I say, it's the baby about city.
And yeah, Bapa, Yasam Katua, and yeah, Bapa, it's a good win so. If a Hanina, and your uncle, your the point.
You're called a February, okay. I'm sure I knew that the same people who are the one and okay. But for I was at for a moja, I am born and it's really good. I